Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and happy Mask Monday, ladies and friends, collaboration day. I hope you guys are having a good day and I hope you stayed warm through this weekend. I know a huge portion of the country was under a bit of a chill down. Not everybody, but a lot of us were. I'm actually filming this on Sunday and it's barely gotten above about, I think 6 or 7 degrees above zero today. And since I'm filming this in the late afternoon, it's already getting really cold again. So we're gonna make a quick video for Mask Monday. I have an item to show you really quick that I got from Influenster. Because today is a day to not go outside, with it being, I think it was below zero until like 11 o'clock Central Time. So not fun. I did color my hair and I pulled it through all the way, and so I feel like my hair is a lot darker looking because the ends have darkened up, which is great. I was looking pretty, I don't know what you'd call it, but my color was fading on the ends as usual. And I try to do it about twice a year. I will pull the color through versus just coloring my roots, which I do obviously more frequently. So today's mask is second use on a Tony Moly I'm Rice mask. I have a lot of Tony Moly masks in the refrigerator right now. I have a whole bunch of these and a whole bunch of the I'm Lemon. So I really like the rice ones. Actually like all of them, but I think gravitate to grab, ooh, these are cold, to grab the I'm Rice masks. Nice and wet still, plenty of serum. Oh, I don't know if taking it out of the refrigerator on a cold day was a great idea. That was cold. And so the house is struggling to stay warm. It's nasty outside. So I've been under like a throw blanket, trying to not freeze too much. Have to keep the heat up enough in the house. Outside pipes are, I've got like cabinet doors open, and it's just not nice weather for mid-December. This is more like what we would see at the end of January or even into mid-February. A strange winter we are having. Okay, there we go. I'm Tony Moly, or Tony Moly I'm Rice. Second use. There's any more serum in here, I definitely want to use it. Oh, yes, there is. Look at that, you guys. I'm gonna put it on my hands because this cold weather is so hard on the skin and the hair. Ooh, that feels so nice. Okay. I got one item from Influenster I want to show you guys. I filled out a bunch more questions under my profile, and I tell you what, I've been getting offered a ton of items to review. I have a bunch of stuff coming. I'm pretty excited. One of them is a Valentino perfume. I got some surveys and was accepted for a couple of products I didn't want. Certain things I just didn't want to have to do the reviews on. It was something that I just wasn't that interested in. I know a lot of people think, I'm crazy to turn down stuff, but I'm not in it just to get a whole bunch of free stuff, right? Like there's stuff I'm really interested in trying and seeing if it's good quality. So, none of it's like, every now and then you can get something that's worth maybe $100 or more. That handbag I got is worth a couple hundred. I think it was like $300 or whatever, but I haven't been lucky enough to be offered a 100% free, like refrigerator or stove. I did get offered, a replacement queen size bed. I think they were offering, it was a discounted price, and I'm not looking to replace a bed. I didn't want to spend the money so anyway, let's get into this. I got this. This is from Influenster. It's like, I believe, one product. I did open it because I didn't know what it was, and it's cold out. I want to make sure it wasn't damaged. It's just a single-use product. I think I remember what it says. Lots of packing material. Okay, let me get my glasses on so I can read. There's a little something, paper in there. What does it say? Okay, hi, thank you for joining our sampling program. The cult favorite OWYN 32 gram Chocolate Pro Elite Protein Shake is now better than ever, richer, smoother, and perfectly sweet. Each shake delivers 32 grams of plant-based protein with 0 sugars, and it contains no artificial sweeteners or sugar alcohols. That's good. We'd love to hear what you think. I'm excited to try this because I do like you know, protein shakes and things. So this is what it looks like. So this is the, oh, it's just called chocolate. There's no fancy, you know, sometimes they get into something and call it like Bavarian chocolate mousse or something crazy, but this is chocolate. So that's it. Okay. It says Pro Elite, only what you need, OWYN 32, dairy-free protein. So this is dairy-free. And it did mention it was plant-based. 0 sugar, chocolate flavored, 11.5 fluid ounces or 330 milliliters. So it says, let's see what else. Plant-based, 0 net carbs, non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan. OWYN tests and validates for top 9 allergens. It says shake vigorously. So when I go to drink it. Other side says only what you need. 100% plant-based protein, all essential amino acids. Contains 300 milligrams omega-3 ALA. 3 grams of prebiotic fiber. Superfood greens blend. And says, and always no to these ingredients. There's no dairy, no wheat or gluten, no peanuts, and no tree nuts, which is good for me. I can't have tree nuts. No soy, no egg. No sesame, no fish, no shellfish, no artificial colors or flavors, no artificial sweeteners, and no creepy chemicals. That's cute. Okay. It says calories per serving, and this is considered 1 serving. 200 calories, 7 grams of fats, 1 gram saturated fat, 0 milligrams cholesterol, 350 milligrams sodium, 3 grams of carbs coming from dietary fiber, 0 sugar, 32 grams protein, no vitamin D, 40 milligrams calcium, 10 milligrams iron, and 300 milligrams potassium. So I will have to put this in the refrigerator, and I will definitely try this. I like that it's got expiration information on it. That's great. Usually you see it on the bottom, but it's nice. It's right on the top. Yeah, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and I'll try it one morning. I'll have to get some pictures and stuff before I do. But hopefully it tastes good. You know, you never know. Sometimes these protein shakes just do not taste good. So, and chocolate's interesting. Chocolate can either be really good or it can be really bad. So I hope it's not bad. I'm looking forward to trying it. But yeah, that's all I got. Like I said, I have some more stuff coming from Influenster. If you haven't joined, and if you have active social media and you're willing to do honest reviews, and again, I say honest because please don't be one of those people who goes on and just says everything's amazing. Yeah, I mean, sign up. It's fun. It takes a while sometimes. They seem to be pushing out a lot of items lately. At least I'm getting opportunities. I think I have a perfume coming. I have a liquid black eyeliner coming. I have an interesting and weird shampoo coming, and that's all I'm going to say until I get it, because to me it looks very strange, but maybe I'm misunderstanding it. Yeah, just a few odds and ends. I'm really excited for the perfume because I love me some perfumes, but I had 2 options on the perfumes, and luckily they told you the notes that were in each one, and so I picked the one that had notes of jasmine in it, because of course I did. And the other one also, actually they both had jasmine in it, but one of them had jasmine and rose. I don't think rose smells good on me. I did not pick that one. I went with the other one that had notes of jasmine in it, so I'm excited. I think it's just going to be kind of a smaller bottle, but we'll see. I have gotten, I think I have been with Influenster for at least 4 years, and I think this will be, as far as like, and I don't know if it's full size. I don't know if this will be considered full size, but I've gotten 2 really nice, really expensive full-size fragrances. I've gotten a bunch of like sample sized. And then, yeah, this one I'm really, really eager to try because I don't know, the notes look like it's gonna smell really good. So things to look forward to. But that's all I got, guys. This, and like I said, I got a couple things coming. I'm still utilizing, if you guys missed it, for last week's Mask Monday, I got this online. It's just like a brush for your face, and it's just, I actually bought 2 of them. I have one of them at work, and it's really nice if you're just like super busy. I'll just stop and spend like 30 seconds just brushing my face. It's so relaxing. I don't know, I really enjoy it. It's a great way to just relax for 30 seconds, a minute or 2, whatever time you've got to do to actually do it. But I really am enjoying it because it feels really good. So that's all I got. I hope you guys are having a great week. Please stay warm, watch the weather, be careful. Last call, this is the sheet mask. I think I just picked up a bunch of these one of the last times I was in TJ Maxx, and so I do have a bunch of these to use, and I don't mind. The rice stuff's great, so big fan of that. But have a great week, guys. It's less than 2 weeks to Christmas, if you celebrate that. It's less than 3 weeks to New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. I just can't even believe I'm saying that. So we're wrapping up 2025. It's been a fun year. It's been definitely a year of change for me. I was not expecting to still be at the farm. So we'll see. I think I'm going to be here for a couple more months for sure, especially with the winter we're having. I just don't think there's going to be a lot of buyer activity having the kind of winter we're having. So we'll see. I'm holding my own and taking care of the family fortress. But yeah, have a great week, you guys. Stay safe, stay warm. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.